my gosh. Oh my goodness, I just fell in the tub. What is up, you guys? It's your girl Shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey. And in today's video, I am going to do a review on Jerome Russell's temporary hair color spray. Spray is temporary, like it says here, meaning that as soon as you wash the hair, it will wash out. Now, I have used this before already, but I want to do a review on it to help you guys out, and you can better judge if you want to spend your money on buying it or not. It does have its share of pros and cons in my opinion, but first what I want to do is show you how to apply it and how it looks on my hair, and then from there I will give you all of the inside scoop on the product, because trust me, there's a lot that you may want to know before purchasing this item. I have wine red, I have green, I have pink, I have black, like jet black, and I have Auburn. I'm going to insert a picture of my hair right now, and in this picture I'm also using a spray by Jerome Russell. It just looks a little bit different. So the ones that I'm using today are like this, but he also has a brand that's like this. It's called Be Wild. I think the colors are a little bit more vibrant possibly. So in the picture that you are seeing right now, you see that my ends are blonde. I had dyed my hair blonde for a while, and it was starting to grow out, so my ends were blonde, and then I sprayed some of this color on my hair. Your hair does not have to be blonde. I will say that my hair is not blonde now, right? But you will see how this color works. Okay, so like I said, I will save my advice and my pros and my cons for after this, but let me get right into the video showing you how to apply this product on your hair. I'm going to show you how the green color looks on my hair without being blonde. And I am natural, by the way. That doesn't make any difference when my hair is natural. I'm going to show you only a little bit of the green because I'm not going to wear my whole hair green, but I just want you to see how it looks. And then I'm also going to show you the Auburn color, in which I'm actually going to wear my hair like that with this color. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, you guys, it is your girl Shanelle.janai from around the way, and I am back with the final product and the final look. So as you can see, I had the Auburn color on my hair. I didn't do like from roots to end because that didn't make any sense. But what you want to do is style your hair the way you're going to style your hair first, and then use the hair stuff. This stuff is super messy, so you want to have that paper in front of the, or behind the hair. You want to have something blocking you. You want to be in a room that may get messy. The bathroom is okay. This stuff is extremely messy. And the fact that it's temporary, oh gosh. The fact that it's temporary and it's not permanent, it wipes off super, super easy. Like, my hands are clean right now. I'll do a test with you guys right now to see how much wipes off on my hands. It won't just like be that messy where like as soon as you do a little thing like this, you won't have anything on your hands. But I'm talking about actually touching your hair. Let's see. Yes. So look at my fingertips. I hope you can see that. I can. It's definitely on my fingertips. So I'm letting you know right now, as a con of this product, it is so freaking messy. It will get on any and everything. If you have long hair or if you're wearing your hair down, I've done that before too. I had, of course I had a shirt on, and the back of it had the color when I took the shirt off. So I'm telling you, be prepared for it. I do recommend wearing your hair up, some kind of updo, some kind of braids, and then spray the spray when you are done styling your hair completely. Don't spray your hair and then try to style it, because you're gonna have it all over your hands. It will wash off your hands, but it's not easy either. It takes a little bit of time to wash it off of your fingers as well. Now, a pro to this product, I'm gonna hold them up so you can see what they look like again, because there's this kind and then there's this kind. I believe that this may be a little bit more vibrant color, like I said before. So a pro with this product is that it's quick, and if you make a mistake, it can wash out. So it's very convenient. So let's say you just want to match your outfit one day. You want to rock out with some blue hair like I have done, or rock out with green or pink, whatever, but you don't want it to be that way forever or until your hair goes out. So this is a good product to use in that case, when you just want a temporary color. And if you change your hair a lot like I do, then this is for you. Boo. Another thing that I like about it is how vibrant all of the colors are. Like, you guys saw how the green looked. The green is amazing. You see how this color looks. I will let you see a little bit closer up. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. And it's like, maybe you want to dye your hair a certain color, but you want to see how it looks first to see if it suits you. This is another good reason to use this product. Another good thing is that it doesn't cost that much. As you can see on this sticker, this was only $3.99. It was $4. So that's really not a lot. And I honestly do give this product 2 thumbs up, but on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this product a 7. I would say 7 or 6. Weak 6 more so, a stronger 7. And that's basically because of how messy it is. It's annoying that it rubs off on everything. Like, literally, if I was to put a white shirt on over my head, it's going to be on the inside of my shirt. If I get in my car and I have like a light color on my ceiling of my car, there's a chance that if my hair is rubbing against it, it will be that color. That is so annoying. So even with going to bed at night, I would put like a bonnet on, of course, just so that it doesn't get all over my bed and all over my pillowcases. So another good thing is that when you wash your hair, it will come out. Just wash your hair a good regular 2 or 3 soapings, and this will wash out with no problem. Guys, I think that was it. You did see how if you put one color of spray on your hair and then another one on top, that color that went on top will be the dominating color and will just be that one on top. So that's another cool thing too. You don't have to worry about that completely messing up your hair if you change your mind and want to put another color on top. Really quickly, I almost forgot. One last thing to know about this product is that it will make your hair look and feel dry. That's another thing that I did not like about the product. And if you watch other reviews, They probably said the same exact thing. It makes your hair so freaking dry. And you know us naturals, we like to keep our hair moisturized. That's the healthiest state for our hair, is when it's moisturized. But this product will have your hair feeling very dry. So yeah, just so you know. Yeah, you guys, I think that was pretty much it. Not much else to say about it. If you have any other questions about this product, excuse me. If you have any other questions about this product, please let me know in the comment section down below. I do want to be hands-on, like I keep saying, and communicate with you guys. Anybody that gives me compliments, y'all know I have been saying thank you. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. I will answer that question for you in the comment section down below. Oh, and what I also will do is I will put the link to this product in the description box. I did not order these hairsprays from the official website or anything like that. They can be found at local beauty supply stores. That's what I forgot to cover. I got that at a regular old beauty supply store. Plenty of them in stock in more than one beauty supply store. So you should have no problem finding it as well. That was it for me today. I believe I covered everything that I needed to cover with this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Like I said, I feel like I'm repeating myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here and stop running my mouth. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, and see you guys next time.